Understanding the phrase, put out to grass. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, put out to grass. This expression has intriguing origins and uses, and we're here to explore what it means, how it's used, and the context behind it. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video will provide valuable insights into this unique phrase. Let's get started. The phrase, put out to grass, is an idiomatic expression primarily used in British English. It means to retire someone from their job or active duty, often because they are considered too old to be effective. Think of it as a gentle way of saying that someone is moving on to a quieter, less active phase of their life, much like a workhorse being retired to pasture after years of service. This expression comes from the practice of allowing older farm animals, like horses or cows, to roam freely in a pasture instead of working. The idea is that after years of labor, these animals earn a peaceful retirement in the grass. By analogy, when a person is put out to grass, they are being given a chance to rest and enjoy their later years without the demands of their previous work. You might hear or use put out to grass in informal conversations, especially when discussing retirement or the end of someone's career. It's a respectful, albeit slightly humorous, way to talk about retirement. For example, after 30 years in the force, the chief inspector was finally put out to grass. I think it's time for me to be put out to grass and leave the job to younger folks. While the phrase is generally used in a light-hearted manner, it's important to be sensitive to how it might be received. In cultures that highly value youth and productivity, being put out to grass could feel dismissive. Always consider the context and the feelings of the person you're talking about or to. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, put out to grass. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and use in everyday language. English is full of fascinating idioms like this one, each with its own story and cultural background. Remember, understanding these expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also brings you closer to the nuances of the language. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting insights into the English language. Happy learning!